Hello everyone! For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section from the top of the hair and tying a rubber band to it. Then take a section from the left and the right side and then pull it through using a rubber band at the base. Make a braid and take sections from the right side, repeat this on the left side. For our next hairdo, take a section from the left and the right side and then tie it up in the center of the back. Make 2 braids on the side and then take a rubber band and tie it up at the bottom and then roll the ponytail in on itself. Add both of the braids through the hair. Make a heart shape. For our next hairdo, tie a ponytail at the base of the scalp. Using a U-pin, pull out multiple strands of hair through it. It should look like this. Then, taking the strands of hair, make a braid out of it. Once you reach the bottom, tie it up, insert it at the bottom. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by taking 2 sections from the top and then add a rubber band, tie it in on itself and then twist it. Then make a braid out of the bottom. Do this in either of the divisions. Once you do this, roll up the braids and insert it into the twists. Tie it up and insert it. Next, take a section on the left and the right side, tie it up at the back. Make 2 more sections on the sides. Then make 2 braids out of it. Pull out the hair using your fingers. This should give it more of an aesthetic appeal. Once you have done this, roll up the hair and then insert it in the sides. For our next hairdo, join it at the center, taking 2 sections, and then twist the hair as such. Take the rest of the hair and insert it in on itself. Roll the hair up. This should give it more of an aesthetic appeal. Once you have done this, thank you for watching.